Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: Bluetooth off or on as appropriate, and orientation unlocked so gestures behave predictably. Next, tap the small keyboard icon in the lower right. This reveals options. Press dock to return it to the bottom or merge to split. If you're on a smart keyboard folio, detach it and inspect the connector for debris. Use compressed air if needed. Once done, reattach or retoggle Bluetooth. Make sure the iPad responds before moving to deeper fixes. You'll now address software and calibration. Force close the active app and test the on-screen keyboard. If it floats or lags, restart the iPad to clear memory or temporary bugs. Open an app, use the keyboard icon again, and cycle through split, merge, dock, and undock until the behavior normalizes. This resets touch targets. Make sure to check settings general software update. Installing updates can fix keyboard bugs. Once updated, reboot once more and verify the keyboard docks reliably. Finish with configuration and a key troubleshooting tip. Open settings and reset keyboard preferences if odd autocorrect or layouts persist. This clears learned entries. Then check accessibility keyboards for touch accommodations that might float or reposition the keyboard. Turn options off and on to test. If the problem remains despite hardware checks and updates, back up your iPad to iCloud or Finder and perform a restore. That removes deep software corruption. If you still see issues after restore,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.